water from the rooftop containing foreign particles being filtered here. We have a fabric cloth and this big filter. So this one helps to remove the big particles like leaves, stones. Then the fabric tries to remove the smaller fine particles to avoid them from entering the water tank. So after the water entering here, it is filtered, not fully, just remove the big particles and the soil. As you can see here, there are some soil particles remaining there, and on the fabric they are there. Then you move down, you see this is the pipe, I connected it here. So this small pipe takes water from this tank to this other tank. So you can see the water has been filtered, though it has some color, but the foreign big particles have been removed. So in this small tank, this is where we store this water that has been filtered from the other tank. As you can see, the water is flowing. It's flowing into this tank from the other upper tank. So from here, we have the control valve here. So if this tank is maybe full, we can stop from here, or if the other upper tank is full, there is no way we can stop it. We stop from here, we shall just put there an overflow valve. Maybe in case if it's full, the water will overflow. So from this one, I was thinking of putting chlorine from here to treat this water from here. We put chlorine to kill the bacteria, the viruses that are found in the water. So from here, I prefer that I put chlorine from here to treat the water. So after treating this water, it is not very clean. I've just killed the bacteria. So from here, the water will move through this small pipe to this. I was taking these ones to be filter 1 and filter 2. In this filter 1, the water enters from up. So the water enters, but there is another filter here. I was using a fabric for filtering, but in this case, I've used the stockings because I've not yet got the fabric cloth, but I'm testing it. Just then after, I'll just go and buy the other fabric cloth. So from here, the water is again filtered using this fabric or stocking. So as you can see, still the color of the water is still there. The color. So the water is not yet clean. We are still removing the bigger particles. So from here, the filtering is moving on. So this water, after being filtered here, remember it's already treated from up there. So the bacteria, the viruses have been worked upon. They have killed them. So from here now, the water will move through this pipe from below. The reason as why I connected it below is because the pressure here, as the water is entering, the pressure of the water that is entering will force this water to enter into this other filter. So this is another filter. This is the filter 1, filter 2. So in this filter, we also have this other filter, which is in a form of stocking, like a fabric. But up here, inside this, we have a metallic filter that I put inside here. So that metallic filter, it is inside, I put it here, but I will show you after. So the water is being filtered from here. It enters here, still the color. I'm saying the color is reducing. The color of the water is changing. It's not the same almost. It's not the same. So from here, the water is going to be filtered twice. This one is going to first filter it, then there's another metallic filter here which is going to filter again before the water goes to the storage tank for ready to be used at home. So from here we have like a small tap here. if the water is safely being filtered here and it comes here, the water will be ready for use. You can fetch the water from here and you go and use it either for drinking or for cooking safely without any bacteria. So when you look at this project, I'm aiming at putting it in homes, because I'm seeing in most of the homes they don't have this system. They only have a tank like the other one, like this one, connected to the roof, to the gutters. Then the tap is connected here. So you find that the water enters in the tank direct with all the bacteria, the viruses, the foreign particles, materials, and someone just fetches it and goes to use. So you find sometimes you need to drink this water, but if the water is not boiled, the water is not treated, the water is not filtered, you'll find that you'll take a lot of chemicals. So that's why I'm aiming at designing and developing a filtration and a treatment system for the rainwater for home consumption. Thank you.